This station is the Bloomington transmission station. It's one of the primary outlets for the mirror generating station for Hoosier Energy. The station is designed with two 345 kilovolt transformers that feed a 230 kilovolt Duke substation. In May of 2013, one of those transformers failed, which led to the replacement that you see here. This transformer is over 16 feet tall, over 13 feet wide, and over 28 feet long. At just over 406,000 pounds, it's quite an imposing piece of equipment. It takes a lot of planning and a lot of patience to move a piece of equipment like this for safety's sake and, of course, for protection of the asset. The manufacturer, SPX Transformer, shipped it from Waukesha through Chicago, Illinois, to Effingham, Illinois, and finally to Switz City, Indiana, where it made its final transition to rail and came to Martinsville, Indiana. The transformer move began in the west side of Martinsville at a gas station. This truck and trailer unit is over 226 feet long. Our largest challenge was the overhead utility crossings and street lights along the route. The unit traveled along East Morgan Street in Martinsville to the Highway 44 interchange at 37. All in all, it took about 2.5 hours to move from the rail siding in Martinsville to Highway 37. Once on Highway 37, both the north and the southbound lanes were blocked for approximately 30 minutes while the trailer was aligned with southbound 37. Once we were on 37, street lights again were an issue, along with overhead utility crossings. That took about 3.5 hours to go from Highway 44 in Martinsville to the Bloomington station. This move was a collaborative effort between several departments within Hoosier Energy, as well as our suppliers. One of those suppliers, Edwards Moving and Rigging, has been a long-time supplier for Hoosier Energy. We've worked with them on many occasions. They're very professional and committed to safety of both people and our assets. We also worked with NDOT on several fronts. Of course, permitting was a requirement that had to be dealt with, and NDOT worked with us on several route changes along the way and provided us with input there. I would like to say that our communications department, led by Claire Gregory, did an excellent job with NDOT regarding communications to the public. At one point through the move, NDOT had up to 14 electronic signs posted in Indianapolis warning drivers of potential delays, which helped us quite a bit in notifying the public of what they could expect. Folks were very understanding, and luckily we were able to pull off on 3 separate occasions and relieve some of that congestion. As I mentioned before, this transformer is part of one of the main outlets for the Mirror generating station. The purpose of the Bloomington station is to provide power to Duke's 230 kV substation. That substation provides 230 volt power to both the east and the west side of the state, which is tied back into Hoosier's transmission system. That's a direct benefit for our members in terms of reliability of the system.